two large, ano siya, iced coffee. Dalawang large ako ng iced tea. Oh, good iced tea. Bagel. And that was breakfast and lunch. Yan, naglalakad na. Oh, may aso sila.
Yung alis nila na yun.
Tomorrow.
Ni
Si
Elma.
Elma. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Ito yung
12. 30 ng flight nila. Hindi ako makahabol. Ay, sorry.
1,000 for night.
For itself. Kaya lang kasi masyado ng luma. Maraming maintenance. Ano naman maintenance kundi bagong, what do you call this? Kailangan ng bagong dishwasher. Kahapon nag-broke na yung dishwasher. And then yung kailangan ipa-repair yung dryer kasi it's squeaking. Kailangan daw ng belt. So that's ano. At saka we bought a new washer, new refrigerator, brand new refrigerator. And then sooner or later it will need what do you call this? We will need brand new air condition si Lumana. So, ano, it's investment. Hopefully, maraming magpa-preserve. We're still 5 stars ang aming reviews. They all love it. We have renters that they already been there 4 times. There's tapos yung aming neighbor across the street, yung kanyang family, ina-accommodate niya doon for 1 week every July 4th week. Kaya pina-reserve na nila for the next year. This year was their 3rd, so next year will be their 4th. So hindi naman namin sila charge ng arm and a leg, kanya bumabalik sila. Ano, parang family and friends na charge. And I like it kasi they're just gonna cross the street and nandun na yung kanilang family. So one big happy family. In fact, pag 4th of July, doon na rin yata nag-stay yung si Linda, yung kanilang sister. Kasi, although malaki yung bahay ni Linda, but at the same time, she has so many stuff. Puno yung bahay niya ng stuff just for the 2 of them. Kanya, they need an extra room. Yung aming Airbnb, it's really open. Kanya, wala naman masyadong kalat. Basically, it's not much, but it's will do. So they like it. So, ito ang aming street. Oh, not our street. Ang aming neighborhood community. Ayan ang aming mga So it's nice. Wala pang araw. Maaga pa kami kanya. Okay. This is it. We're gonna finish our walk and I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye. Say bye, puppy.
Bye bye. Good day.